start like sectioning my hair so that when my camera's charged, I can start showing you a little bit of how the braids are gonna be done. It's quick and easy. It's kind of like doing box braids, but with my own natural hair. Of course, I'm not adding any hair in it. Um, but yeah, it's supposedly, hopefully, gonna be a quick video, less than 10 minutes. But I haven't done videos for you guys, so this is gonna be something that you guys are gonna see because I have another video coming afterwards. I just wanted to get my hair done first, of course. Okay, so the camera's finally like at 100% charge. I didn't do the parting, but I did do some braids, so you guys can see. It's not even parting, but I didn't want to do that many, and then I ended up doing only just 2 rows right now, and then I'm gonna do this third row up here, which is like the crown. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully it's a good parting, and then just do like the front pieces. So yeah, I'm just watching the show. It's a Korean drama called Crash Landing on You. This light is bothering me. I was supposed to be going to run errands today, but I started my cycle today, so I got a little bit like, not lazy, but you know, when it's your first day of the cycle, sometimes like the cramps just keep you like kind of like just there. And I'm just so grateful I don't have to go to work today, but I do have church later, so it is Friday. I have church, but I'm gonna be doing my errands Sunday after church, just to show you guys what I'm using. I'm using this Jane Carter Solution Wrap and Roll. I was gonna do twists on my hair. Yeah, but this is at a beauty supply. You can use Nairobi foam as well. My Shine and Jam for like the edges. I have a rat tail comb. Some of these clips here that I'm not really using, but just like part my hair. And then some clear elastics for like some of my ends, because you guys know I cut my hair, and I'm also misting my hair with my spray bottle. And I also have this comb or brush right here, so I'm gonna do one side with you guys, this side, since you guys can see when I watch my show. Gonna wet it a little bit. I usually do the parting first, or that's what I've been doing. I'm gonna kind of eyeball this to like 3 different sections. That's kind of what I do. I split one section in half, and then I do like at least 3 sections. So it's gonna be like 3 braids, and then 3 braids on this side, and then just the front. But first, I gotta put some of this. So this hairstyle is not as complicated as it may seem, but all you have to do is section parts however big you desire, and then just take out a little piece of one of the braiding pleats, and then kind of like hold it with something. You can pin it down. I'm putting them in my mouth. It might seem disgusting, but it's not really going inside of my mouth. It's just going like in between my lips, so that they're not getting braided down. You're literally just taking away a little section of hair from each section that you're braiding down, if that makes sense. That's what you're gonna put on that mousse that I showed you guys, or hair foam, to make sure it stays curly. I don't know why I feel like it looks weird from this view, since I have like TikTok set up right here. I was gonna go live, but doing this last night actually. But tell me why TikTok tried to ban me for posting a video of me singing to Jonas Brothers. I was live, right? And I was starting it, and then I shared my live because I record on TikTok on my other phone, and then they banned me. Like, what? For this one, I'm gonna put an elastic because that's like one of those front pieces of the layers that can unravel. But I can't wait to see the finished look because it looks kind of crazy when it's like this. But now we're gonna do this side and then the rest of the front pieces. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing the front. Okay, so for the front, I'm just gonna do 2 and 2. Yeah, because I'm trying to be here all day. It's already 5:30 and I have to leave my house by 7. I have to shower. I need to have my outfit picked out and eat. But I'm glad I stopped watching the show I was watching before because it's taking a lot. This is way more interesting, even though I need to pay attention to what they're saying to understand. So this is how I prep the hair after I spritz it with the water bottle. I take some of the foam so that the hair is saturated and it has some product in it so it's not a dry braid. Then I start braiding down until I feel like there's no really like form or technique. Like I said, you just want to take out the desired amount of sections and thickness that you want for your hair, as well as the little curls. And I say a lot, I'm the queen. If you're not new here, like, you already know that. But yeah, guys, this hairstyle is so quick and easy. You can do it like on kids, you could do it on yourself, and those still look cute. You can add like maybe like little gems or hoops to the hair if you want to make it a little more fancy. So the bangs are clearly here, and I did 3 at the top, so just looking like so far. It's just a put together hairstyle, pretty much. Nothing too fancy schmancy. So my hair could be done for like the week, or as long as I, you know, could last. But I'll probably try to make it a week, like by Thursday. Alright, so we're about to do the finishing touches on the hair, which is putting some of the mousse or the foam like on it to curl the little pieces. And this I didn't do that many because to be doing this every day is gonna be a lot of product buildup, and then I'm gonna want to take them out. Just to let y'all know, I have like 5 or 10 minutes to eat, so I can head out. I'm gonna be getting there like 5 minutes late because I still have to go to CVS. Yeah, guys, let me know what you thought of this little hairstyle tutorial. Do you guys like my hair like this? I feel like with hair added, it would have took me longer, of course, but let me know down below what hairstyles you guys want me to try, and I'll see you guys in the next video.